Right now we're passing by Maywood. I'm trying to go as slow as I can without hitting the potholes. Here we're going to see the Desplaines River, where they were looking for that little kid the other day. As you can see, it looks very full. And these are the woods where the other day a bunch of media was at. Right now I'm entering river forest. If you notice, the trees have white ribbons, and that's because of the diplomat. They used to be in Afghanistan. They got killed. Also, you could see a lot of people pulled out their carpeting because a lot of places flooded. This is river forest. Some people have the flag at half staff, but I think right now most people are concerned about their flooded basement. This is Washington and Gale. I'm not too sure where that girl lived that had that was killed, but you could see some beautiful houses here, but they were severely affected by the storms. Okay, I'm moving over a little bit because I'm on the road, and well, that's a nice house right there. Most of them look like they're Frank Lloyd Wright style. So he used to make a lot of prairie homes. This is river forest still. This is by the river forest up there. This is the Amtrak station. And right now we're over by the bridge on Keystone and Hawthorne. So as you can see, there's no more to see because we're in river forest right now. It's raining again. A lot of trees with the ribbons, white ribbons, and so I'm going to be turning off because there's a car behind me, and it's not too easy looking at the road and doing photography, but I'm used to it. Been doing it since I was 12. That's a nice house with the magnolias blooming pink. Alright, over and out. We're coming to Oak Park now. This is Ashland and Hawthorne.